Join me as I take on the challenge of living off the grid in Australia using only solar power to see if it can really make my dream a reality. Living off the grid in Australia is a dream for many, the freedom to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, to be closer to nature, and to live life on your own terms. And at the heart of this lifestyle is the ability to generate your own power. That's where solar panels come in, a clean, renewable source of energy that can help you achieve your off-grid dreams. When you're living in remote areas of Australia, relying on traditional energy sources can be a real challenge. For one, the infrastructure just isn't there, no power lines, no gas lines, no nothing. You're left to fend for yourself, and that can be a daunting task. And even if you are lucky enough to have access to the grid, the cost of connecting can be prohibitively expensive. Then there's the issue of reliability. Blackouts are common in rural areas, and when the power goes out, you're left in the dark. Literally. And let's not forget about the environmental impact. Traditional energy sources are some of the biggest contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. But even with those challenges, many people still rely on generators and other fossil fuel-based power sources. And that's because, historically, solar panels haven't been up to the task. They are expensive, they are inefficient, and they are high maintenance. Or at least, that's the perception. But the truth is, solar technology has come a long way in recent years. And when you factor in the cost savings of not having to connect to the grid and the environmental benefits of going green, solar starts to look like a very attractive option. But despite the benefits, there are still some significant drawbacks to using solar panels to power your off-grid home. For one, the upfront cost is still relatively high. You're looking at tens of thousands of dollars for a decent-sized system. And even then, you're not guaranteed to generate enough power to meet your needs. Then there's the issue of energy storage. What do you do when the sun goes down, or when there's a prolonged period of bad weather? You need a reliable battery system to store excess energy, and that adds to the overall cost. So what's the verdict? Is it possible to power your off-grid home in Australia using only solar energy? I'd say the answer is a resounding yes. I've talked to people who've done it, and they'll tell you that the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. Take, for example, the story of Sarah and Mike, who built their off-grid dream home in rural New South Wales. They invested in a top-of-the-line solar panel system, complete with energy storage and backup generators. And you know what? They've never looked back. They generate enough power to run their entire home, including their fridge, their lights, and even their aircon. Sarah and Mike's story is inspiring, but it's not unique. There are countless others out there who've made the switch to solar, and they are loving every minute of it. They'll tell you that the sense of independence, the sense of freedom, is unbeatable. And that's what it's all about, living life on your own terms, without relying on the grid. So if you're thinking of making the switch to solar, don't let the challenges hold you back. With the right system and the right mindset, you can make your off-grid dreams a reality. And that's what it's all about. Thanks for joining me on this journey to explore the world of off-grid living in Australia. If you have any experiences with solar energy, be sure to share them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on sustainable living. There's plenty more where this came from.